Want to know n8n like the back of your hand? Join our challenge on the AI Lab Hub channel. We're breaking down every node one by one to turn you into an automation pro. Plus, check out our Telegram via the link in the description. You'll find dozens of ready-to-use projects, the latest AI news, and all the best tech insights. Subscribe and automate smart. Today we'll break down the heart of any automation in n8n, the Webhook node. It's the component that allows your workflow to hear the outside world and receive data from anywhere. Let's go through each setting step by step. Let's go. The first thing we see is Webhook URLs. There are two tabs here, Test and Production. Remember the golden rule. The test URL only works when you click the Listen for Test Event button. This is your sandbox. The production URL, on the other hand, becomes active only after you enable the entire workflow. Here's a useful tip. Always start with the test mode so you can see the real structure of the incoming data. Next is HTTP method. This defines how a service sends requests to you. GET is usually used for simple notifications, while POST is used when a full package of data is sent. But there are other options too: delete, patch, put, and even head. Simply select the method required by the service that is sending the request. The path field is your unique address. The system generates a random code for security, but you can change it to something more meaningful, like order trigger. That way, your link will look more professional. Now let's talk about security, authentication. This is essentially your access control. None. The doors are open to everyone. Basic auth, the classic login and password method. Header auth, verification using a secret key in the headers. JWT auth, a more advanced option using tokens. Don't ignore this if you're working with important data. Now the most interesting part, the respond field. This is where we decide what and when to respond to the service that knocked on our webhook. Immediately, an instant "OK, received" status code 200, while the workflow continues running in the background. When last node finishes, the service waits until your entire workflow finishes and then receives the result from the last node. Using Respond to Webhook node, the maximum control mode, you place a special node anywhere in your workflow and send exactly the response you want. Streaming, used for sending a stream of data in real time. And finally, for dessert, the Options section. These are your superpowers, and there are quite a few of them. Allowed Origins, CORS, used when a browser is calling the webhook. Field name for binary data, for receiving files or images. Ignore bots, filters out unnecessary traffic from search engines. IP allow list, allows requests only from trusted IP addresses. No response body. If you need to send an empty response, raw body, when you need the data exactly as it was sent without processing. Response code allows you to manually set the HTTP status, for example, 201 or 404. Response data and headers, to fully customize what the sender receives in response. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.